Now let's have a continuation of our topic last week. Express each statements into mathematical expressions. First, a number is equal to 5. So you can use any variable. So x equals 5. A number is equal to 5. Second example, a number is less than 0. So n is less than 0. Next, a number is greater than -2. So y is greater than -2. Let's have more examples. A number is less than or equal to 4. So a is less than or equal to 4. A number is greater than or equal to 1. M is greater than or equal to 1. And a number is not equal to 0. So you can make use of any variable again. In this case, let us use b. So b is not equal to 0. Now, express each statements into equations. A number increased by 6 is 10. So in expressing a statement into equation, so look what operations will be involved. Then you may use any variable if there is no indicated variable to be used. So is can be expressed as equal sign. Okay, so let's go back to this. Now we can have a plus 6 equals 10. A number increased by 6 is 10. Next example, twice a number less 5 results to 13. So this could be 2n minus 5 equals 13. Twice a number less 5 results to 13. Next, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. So we can represent 3 consecutive numbers as x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. So our equation will be x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 63. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. Let's have more examples. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 60. So we can express 3 consecutive even numbers as x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. So our equation will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 60. Then the sum of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 2. So analyze the statement. So based on our statement, we could have two equations. First, the sum of two numbers is 12. X plus y equals 12. The sum of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 2. So x minus y equals 2. Thrice a number added by a second number is 10. The second number less than twice the first number is 5. So here we can make two equations. So thrice a number added by a second number is 10. So let x be the first number and y be the second number. So we could have 3x plus y equals 10. For the second statement, the second number less than. So the second number less than, so that's minus y. And then twice the first number. So twice the first number is 2x. So that's 2x minus y. Then is 5 equals 5. So we could have 2x minus y equals 5. Next, let us try to solve the following number problems. First, a number increased by 6 is 10. what is the number? So make an equation out of the problem. So a number increased by 6 is 10. A plus 6 equals 10. Then solve for A. So transpose 6. That will be A equals 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So A equals 4. A is the solution of that equation. Another example. Twice a number less 5 results to 13. What is the number? Twice a number less 5 results to 13. What is the number? So twice a number, so it could be 2n, then less 5 minus 5 equals 13. So transpose negative 5, that will be plus 5 in the right side of the equation. So this will be 2n equals 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. So we have 2n equals 18. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we could have n equals 9. So that's the answer. Next, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. What are the numbers? So our equation will be x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 63. So combine the like terms, x plus x plus x, 3x, 1 plus 2, 3. So now we have 3x plus 3 equals 63. Transpose 3. 63 minus 3 is 60. Now we have 3x equals 60. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. We'll have x equals 20. That's the first number. The second number, x plus 1, 20 plus 1, that's 21. The third number, x plus 2, 20 plus 2, that's 22. So these are the 3 consecutive numbers which sum is 63. 20, 21, and 22. Next, the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 60. What are the numbers? So our equation will be like this: x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 60. Combine the like terms. So now we're going to have 3x plus 6 equals 60. Transpose 6. It will be minus 6 on the right side of the equation. This will be 3x equals 54 because 60 minus 6 is 54. So divide both sides of the equation by 3. We'll have x equals 18. The second even number, x plus 2, so that's 20. The third even number, x plus 4, so that's 18 plus 4, 22. So 18, 20, and 22 are the 3 consecutive even numbers which sum is 60. Let's solve this another number problem. The sum of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 2. What are the numbers? So the sum of two numbers is 12. X plus y equals 12. Their difference is 2. X minus y equals 2. So we can make use of the elimination method to solve for x here. So elimination method, because y minus y, that's 0, y will be eliminated. So add the two equations. X plus x is 2x. Y minus y is 0. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now we have 2x equals 14. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we're going to have x equals 7. So that's the first number. To solve for the second number, use any of the other use any equation from the two given equations. So in this case, let us make use of the first equation. X plus y equals 12. Substitute the value of x, which is 7. So 7 plus y equals 12. Transpose 7. Y equals 12 minus 7. And we're going to get 5. Y equals 5. So that's the second number. So check. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 minus 2 is 2. So our answers are correct. Next, thrice a number added by a second number is 10. The second number less than twice the first number is 5. What are the numbers? So here, let x be the first number and y be the second number. So thrice a number added by a second number is 10. So 3x plus y equals 10. And then the second number is the second number twice the first number is 5. So the second number less than, so that's minus y. And then twice the first, so that's 2x. So we have 2x minus y is 5. So our equation will be 2x minus y equals 5. So again, we can make use of the elimination method here because y are opposites. Add the two equations, 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Y minus y is 0. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now we have 5x equals 15. Divide both sides of the equation by 5. So we'll have x equals 3, and that's the first number. To solve for the second number, choose an equation between the two given equations. So here, let us make use of the first equation again. 3x plus y equals 10. Substitute the value of x, which is 3. We're going to have 3 times 3 plus y equals 10. So 9 plus y equals 10. Transpose 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So we'll have y equals 1. So y is our second number. Next, one number exceeds another by 5. If the larger is increased by 5 and the smaller decreased by 8, the larger will be 12 less than twice the smaller. Find the original numbers. So look at the first statement. One number exceeds another by 5, so let x and y be the numbers. So in the first statement, we could make an equation x equals y plus 5 because one number exceeds another by 5. Okay, and then if the larger number is increased by 5, so what is the larger number here? Let's say so based on the structure, the larger number is x, so x plus 5. The smaller number decreased by 8, so y minus 5. The larger will be 12 less than twice the smaller. Twice the smaller, 2 times y minus 8. So 12 by the minus 12. So our second equation will be x plus 5 equals 2 times y minus 8 minus 12. So here we have two equations now. We can also use elimination method, but in this case, it is easier to use substitution method. So let us substitute the value of x, which is y plus 5. So we could only have y in our equation, and we can easily solve for y. So change x to y plus 5 in the second equation. Now we have y plus 5 equals 2 times y minus 8 minus 12. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have y plus 10 equals 2y minus 16 minus 12 because 2 was distributed to y minus 8. So 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. Then continue solving, combine the like terms, transpose 2y, will have y minus 2y in the left side of the equation, then transpose 10, that will be negative 10, that's why we have negative 16 minus 12 minus 10 in the right side of the equation. So y minus 2y is negative y, negative 16 minus 12 minus 10 is negative 38. Now we have negative y equals negative 38. Multiply or divide both sides of the equation by negative 1, so we have y equals 38. That's the smaller number. To solve for the larger number, we can make use of the first equation. Substitute the value of y, which is 38. So x equals 38 plus 5. 38 plus 5 is 43. So x equals 43. That's the larger number. So now let us try to solve a digit problem. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. The number is 12 times the 10th digit. Find the number. So make representations. Let x be the 10th digit and y be the units or the ones digit. So the number can be represented as 10x plus y because x is the 10th digit and y is the ones or the units digit. So our equation, first, the sum of the two-digit number is 9, so x plus y equals 9. Then the second equation, the number is 12 times the 10th digit. So what is the number? 10x plus y. The number So equal sign is, then 12 times the tens digit, 12x. So the second equation is 10x plus y equals 12x. So for the continuation, now we have two equations. So again, we can make use of multiplication or comparison, or elimination or comparison method, but in this case, it is easier to use substitution method. So let us solve for y first. So transpose x, y equals 9 minus x. So we have now the value of y, which is 9 minus x. So we can change y, the second equation, to 9 minus x. That's why this will be 10x plus 9 minus x equals 12x. So as you can see, y was changed into 9 minus x. Then combine the like terms to solve for x. So 10x minus x minus 12x equals negative 9. We'll have negative 3x equals negative 9. Divide both sides of the equation by negative 3. We'll have x equals 3. So that's our tens digit. To solve for the units digit, we can use the first equation. We have y equals 9 minus x. Substitute the value of x, which is 3. Now we have y equals 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Y equals 6. And that's the units digit. Since the tens digit is 3 and the units digit is 6, so the number is 36. Always remember, class, do mathematics to learn mathematics. Practice, improve, and stay curious. Keep safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone. See you next time for our next lesson.